Namaste and greetings to each and every one of you. I will actually be talking about the upcoming virtual workshop for the over 13 years of age. There have been some questions जिनको मैं clarify भी करना चाहती हूँ. I would like to answer a few queries that I have received. Now, what is it that the participants would learn from this workshop? So the first and really important thing that they would learn is to be able to like themselves, to be able to discover that they are deserving and they are lovable. उनको एहसास होगा कि वो इस लायक हैं कि उन्हें बहुत कुछ तंदुरुस्ती और प्यार मिले. And the next thing is, they would also recognize negative emotions and unwanted behaviours, and they would be able to learn tools to manage them. वो पहचानेंगे अपने unhappy negative emotions को, और उसके अलावा जो भी unwanted behaviours हैं, जो behaviours उन्हें पसंद नहीं हैं या आसपास लोगों को पसंद नहीं है उनके behaviors, they will be able to recognize, understand and notice how they could create balance in their lives with the new tools that they would receive. They'll be able to identify core beliefs and release negative beliefs. वो identify करेंगे अपनी negative beliefs, वो कहाँ से आई और उन्हें कैसे वो release कर सकते हैं. They will build better relationships. बेहतरीन relationships, रिश्ते change होंगे. कैसे किया जाएगा ये workshop में बताएंगे. How this will happen, we will explain in the workshop. They will learn to make better choices in life. Understand करेंगे कि क्या उनके लिए सही है और क्या हो सकता है उनके लिए सही नहीं है. Find inner wisdom and power. अपने अंदर झांकना सीखेंगे to understand that the power lies within them. They will empower themselves while transforming their lives. और ये कैसे होगा? How will this happen? By working on the mind, the body and the spirit. And they will understand this connection, और इस connection को वो महसूस करेंगे, समझेंगे. Create harmony and balance in their lives. अपने जीवन में संतुलन कैसे लाना है, they will understand that, वो समझेंगे. And including that, how they can better their health and thus have greater prosperity. और ये सब करने से सेहत तंदुरुस्त रहेगी, तंदुरुस्ती आएगी और prosperity बढ़ेगी. They will develop a new vision for their future and create supporting beliefs to that. अपने जीवन के लिए एक नया मार्ग चुनेंगे. They will get a new vision, they will see new light and be able to transform every area of their life in peace and harmony. Now this will be online, like I said, every day for 1 hour, and every day they will get growth work. हर रोज़ growth work दिया जाएगा for them to be able to move beyond and understand with a lot of ease and grace. Thank you so much for listening to me. If there is anything you want to know on how to connect or regarding the Zoom calls, please get in touch with me. I'm always there for you. I love your children. I respect them. I love you. I love myself. And may there be peace and harmony on planet Earth. Be safe. Look after yourself. Have a wonderful day and days to come. Thank you so much. Namaste.